Man who disrupted Job Scholar's book launch gets $150,000 lawsuit. Sanabe na mashoko ari kuda panguva ino kushandikwa kunzi aiwa nhau yakatsviridza vanhu vachiona Job Scholar's book launch ichidisruptiwa neZanu PF member. Panguva ino ikuonekwa kunzi this guy has been slammed with $150,000 lawsuit no subscriber. Olaika on the bell icon team and the mira masvingo vanopinda vachinyora vachiti Esau Mutano, who lives at house number 28344 Hillside Extension in Masvingo, a well-known terror gang leader who drives around in Masvingo, Minister of State Ezra Chadzamira's vehicle, has been slapped with a $150,000 lawsuit for stealing, tearing books, starting violence, and disrupting the launch of prominent opposition leader Job Scholar's biography on Friday. Mutano broke furniture including chairs and tables, which members of his gang threw at guests. This happened in front of cameras. The incident happened as guest of honor at the event, Matthew Takaona, was delivering his speech. Mutano has been given 7 days to pay the full amount, or the matter starts in High Court immediately. Political leaders in Masvingo are notorious for running terror gangs that are above the law. Known killers of Jambe in Gutu in 2022 have been up to now neither been charged nor arrested. They are roaring free and continue with their acts of terror. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino nevakomana vekumasvingo anoonekwa kunzi this driver Minister of State in Masvingo Province Ezra Chidzamira panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi mukomana ane violence zvakanyanya, and panguva ino vachiita a record yekuti these guys vachilida matera groups. Panguva ino they can be charged at the High Court kana nema courts, but kunoonekwa kunzi kunyange vakasiripira mari dzanenge vanzi varipire, these guys hapana kana zvanomboitiwa. Impoto dzemafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Ndinangome section yetu dzemafungiro enyu, musama subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.